Hello fellow traders. See, I took a position here. I don't know if you see the green dot right here, and on this day there's higher, but and went up. I didn't sell, but I bought more here, like a retracement. It went up. I sold here 682, so like $1.20. Now it moved down a bit, 2 days, and we see this at 570. That means that if we are not gonna take out the 570 mark, then it's a move up. So pay attention today on the close. It's both the daily bear and also the daily and the weekly is coming into place. So if we touch it and then don't close below it but above it, it's a good signal to buy. Again, the stochastics are moving down, so it can go underneath it, but on the weekly level, see, the stochastic went up a bit. So we did not take the low, so I think this is just still a move up. Good luck.